This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Jan Sprayberry. Stunning four-sides brick ranch in sought-after Lakehaven community in Union Grove School District has an open floor plan and features gleaming hardwood floors, master bedroom with tray ceiling, spa bath and an oversized walk-in closet. The awesome kitchen with sunny breakfast area has gas cooktop and stainless steel appliances. The convenient laundry room has sink and storage cabinets. The finished terrace level has tall, smooth ceilings, ample space to entertain, and also provides a variety of other rooms including a full bath, bedroom, family room with fireplace, recreation room, cedar-lined closet plus 3 other storage closets, and a large storage room. This lovely home is situated on a large lot with lush landscaping, a private backyard, and is located in a great neighborhood with 2 pools and tennis courts. For more information, review the details below or contact Jan Sprayberry at 770-914-9250 extension 218.